If you want to beat inflation, if you want to beat the recession, there's only one way to do that, and it's by becoming creative. In case you don't already know who I am, my name is Dan. I'm a real estate investor based in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I'm going to tell you guys how I turned $7 into a $20,000 profit. The cool thing is, most of these houses exist in the neighborhoods that you already drive through. Look at these nice little houses over here, and so many other homes in this little neighborhood. You can do this anywhere in the United States. I don't know as far as outside of the United States, but I know in all 50 states you are able to do this and make money without having to worry about your credit or if you have any money. Now, I'm gonna tell you how I got this house. So one of the first things we did was we drove around a bunch of different neighborhoods and we took this property down with Deal Machine, link in the description below. We built a list of homes that look just like this one. Now this particular property, we mailed her 7 times. We've called her at least 15 times, sent her about 20 text messages before she actually responded to a mailer. Now, it did take some effort to find this house and to actually get her to contact us back. Total marketing to actually get this house was $7 on this specific house. And that's with the 45-cent mailers, the skip tracing, the phone calls, the text messaging. It was $7. She finally responded, gave us a call, and let us know that she wanted to sell this property because she didn't have the money to fix it. Older lady, she inherited this property from her family, and she just really didn't have the money. We're gonna go inside and take a look at it so you guys can see exactly what's going on with this particular property. But this property is no different from most properties that I usually sell and make a really good profit between $20,000 to $40,000. So after contacting her so many times and being able to finally get in contact with her, what we did was we took this property and put it under contract. So we got a regular purchase and sale agreement, signed on the dotted line, and we put this property under contract for $27,000. Now, you can see behind me, this house is not livable in its current condition. It is in really bad shape. But that's okay. Homes like this, we find them on the daily. They look just like this. We don't ever put any money into them, and we sell them. And we don't have to even come up with the money to actually buy these properties. Now this property in particular, because of the amount of work that it needed, we put it out for sale for $49,000. Now we didn't put the house for sale. We put the contract for sale on this property. Now I know I've probably just blew your mind on what do you mean by you put the contract up for sale? And it's simple. We put the contract to actually purchase this property for sale and sent it out to numerous investors in the area that know that they could actually buy this property, invest the money into it and the time, and actually make an amazing profit from it. Now, we put the contract price out for $49,000, which would give us a total assignment fee of about $22,000. So $22,000 is what we're gonna make on this. This property is actually closing in a few days. So basically we are assigning our rights to purchase the property to the end buyer. The end buyer is gonna come up with the money. They're gonna take possession of this property, and at the closing table, I'm gonna get a check for $22,000. Now, I know that some people might say, oh, you got lucky, or this doesn't happen often. This happens every single day. We do anywhere from 5 to 10 of these on a monthly basis. And we make assignment fees anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000, sometimes even more. I just made one the other day for $100,000. And it does take some time to acquire the skill needed to understand what people are paying for houses in certain areas, but I know that here in Gastonia, North Carolina, homes like this sell between $40,000 to $50,000, even though they need this much work. And you can use simple apps like Zillow, Redfin, or even Realtor.com in order to figure out what these values are. It's hotter than hot in here, so I'm gonna go outside for a minute. So just to give you a recap, we went out driving for dollars. drove into a neighborhood that has a lot of flip potential. We then contacted the owner, filled out a contract to purchase this property, and then we sold those rights to purchase this property to another investor that is going to pay us an assignment fee of $22,000. So this is something that you could definitely do on a small budget. Even if you just only can get one house at a time, just know that every single house, if you spend $7, if you do 10 houses, you might spend $70, and you might be able to make some profit out of it. Now, is everybody gonna wanna sell? No. 100 people that we contact, typically only maybe 1 to 5 actually wanna sell, 3 to 4 in the future, in the next 6 months to a year. This is all a numbers game. You have to try to contact quite a few homeowners in order to finally find a deal, but the results are tremendous. There's nothing that I know that you can make so much money in such little time with such a little bit of money than wholesaling real estate. So if you really want to thrive in this type of environment and actually really make some money, go ahead and subscribe down below. On this channel, I vlog my daily activities as a real estate investor and as a full-time wholesaler. I've been doing this for 4 years. I have numerous closings that I've done with over $1.7 million in profit in the past 4 years. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe down below. If not, shoot me some comments. Let me know what you thought about this, and is this really even possible? So until next time, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on another vlog.